In this video, we're going to go over the workflow list, creating workflows, and creating folders for workflows. So workflows are a great way to automate your business processes and reduce the time that you're taking on a day-to-day basis doing manual tasks. So here you can create a new workflow by going to this create workflow option. So when you click on here, you will have option to either pick a template or start from scratch. If you would like to start from scratch, this is going to give you a blank slate to create your workflow triggers and workflow actions. You can also import from a campaign. So this is the old campaigns and triggers. So you can import all the steps from those. And then you have a variety of different recipes here. So appointment booking, appointment confirmations, auto missed call text backs, birthday templates, all sorts of different options that you can choose from here. And then if we go back, you have the option to create a folder for your workflows by clicking on create folder. And then you can type in the folder name here and then click on the create button and you'll see your folder populate. Folders are a great way to organize multiple workflows that go together in one folder to keep them all organized. And then here, looking at the workflow list, you can see all of the folders and individual workflows that you've created. So starting at the top here, here you're going to see the name of the folder or workflow that you've created. And then you'll see the status of the individual workflows. So this is going to show either published or draft. Total enrolled is going to show the total number of people that have gone through your workflow. Active enrolled is going to show the total number of people currently enrolled in your workflow. The last updated column will show the date and time the workflow was last updated. And then the created on column is going to show the date and time the workflow was created. Going over here, we have a 3-dot action menu for folders. You can rename your folder, delete your folder, or manage permissions. And then on workflows, you also have action items. You can edit a workflow. This is going to open up the workflow in this page for you to edit. You can also open the workflow in a new tab. This will give you the option to draft your workflow. If your workflow is already in draft, then you'll see an option to publish your workflow. Here you can move your workflow to a folder. You can duplicate or clone your workflow, and then you can also delete your workflow. Note that if you delete a workflow or folder, that it cannot be recovered, so make sure that you do want to create that action. And then going up here, you have two different list views that you can view. So currently we are on list view. This is going to show just your folders and your workflows. And then if we go over into recent, this is going to show the most recently updated workflows at the top and then kind of going down in chronological order. If you would like to search for a specific workflow, you can click on the search box here and type in the name of the workflow that you are looking for. And then here you have filter options where you can filter your workflows by status. So you can view all, draft, published, or paused workflows. And then once you select one of those options, go ahead and click on apply, and then you'll see that reflect over here in your workflow list.